Hello, Celeste.
Hi, Celeste.
Hi, Mapalo. It's good to see you back. Welcome. Can we see your faces? I want to see if you're happy and excited. Or if you don't want to show your faces, unmute yourself and tell us how you're feeling.
Morning, ma'am. Afternoon.
Hi.
Afternoon. Welcome.
Welcome to the session, Algebraic Equations today.
So good to see you all again. I hope you're all well and excited for tonight. Let me see with your emojis how you're feeling about today's session. Yay, we've got an excited face from Fumuzile and from Apollo and from Jenna. I also feel extremely excited and I'm ready to learn. So I'm putting in a lion face and a nerdy face. Gonna work hard with you guys tonight.
I'm also super excited to be here and I'm really looking forward to the lesson. And I'm so excited to see so many familiar names and people who are attending the lessons from the last time as well. Welcome, Aisha, Tekano. We've got also Tumisha that's joined. So on the screen, you've got a question, find X. If you can just start with that, that will give us a little bit of a introduction to what we're going to be looking at today. So if you can just see what value of X can we plug in there to make the equation work on both sides. What value of X can we plug in to make the equation work on both sides? We've got Galaxy that's joined as well. If you can change your name, that will be great. So we know who you are. Hi, Galaxy, you've got your hand up. Oh, the name has changed.
Kamano.
Yes. Welcome, Kamano. Okay, so those of you, Stembiso as well, welcome. Uko, Loiso, welcome. So we're going to look at this first question, solving for X. You're welcome to unmute yourself and shout out the answer, or you're welcome to type in the chat as well and let us know what answer that is.
Can we see by a raise of hands whose first time it is to join the session today? Who hasn't been here yet? You don't have to be shy. We're all very welcoming and excited. Okay, then I'm assuming we've all been on this platform before. I just want to say welcome back. You know how it goes. If you have any questions, unmute yourself. And if you don't want to respond by unmuting yourself. Feel free to send your answer on the app. And yes, just enjoy this time with Dipesh, and I'll see you again afterwards. Bye.
Okay, everybody. So we're going to start. Thank you for that, Alzan. Thank you for the introduction. And yeah, we're going to look at algebraic equations again. The last time we were looking at writing equations from words to equations, and then we were talking about how we can understand the words better. That was the last time we were looking at that. Now we're going to actually go into solving the equation. So yeah, anybody has any answers for me? Which value of x can we plug into this equation in order for it to be made valid? Which value of x can we plug in? You said? Sorry?
2.
2. So we've got one answer here, which is x equals 2. Anybody else with some different answers? Anybody else with some other answers? What value of x can we plug in there? Let's see. Let's have a look at the chat. Who's going to send me an answer first? We've got 2 on the chat. We don't have any answers yet. Who wants to try? Aisha, Anel, Carmen, Jenna, Kamano. Who wants to give it a try? Mapalo, Pumzile, Stembiso, Tecano, Theo, Trevor, Tumelo, Tumisho, Uko. Who wants to give it a go?
It's 12.
We've got 12. So we've got x equals 12. We've got x equals 6. Okay. We've got others saying 12 as well. Okay, the answer is actually 1. Because look here, if we've got 12 and then x is 1, 12 times 1 plus 8 equals 2 times 1 plus 18. Because this side will then give us 20 and this side will give us 20. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's actually 1. So by looking at it, we can try and see for equations, the left-hand side must equal the right-hand side. And then we know the equation is correct. So the left-hand side must equal the right-hand side. Okay, let's have a look. So we're going to say left-hand side must equal right-hand side. Right-hand side. So when we have this, we've got 20 on the left and 20 on the right. But don't stress too much about it. We're going to try some examples for you to understand this better. So that was just a bit of an intro. We're going to look at this example, and I'm sure at the end of this, you will all be great. So we've got here, the question says, 3 possible solutions are given in the brackets below each equation. But only one is correct. Find the correct solution in each case. So what we need to do is we need to take these values and plug it into the equation, and the left-hand side must equal the right-hand side. So let's look at the first one. The first one says x plus 27 equals 27. What number from these 3 numbers here can we plug into the place of x so that the left-hand side will equal the right-hand side? Any idea?
So it's 0.
0, that's perfect. So we're going to say here 0 plus 27 equals 27. And 0 plus 27 is 27. So 27 equals 27. Therefore, the answer is 0. Well done. Let's try B. Who's got an answer? Let's have a look at B. Once you have an answer, you can type it in the chat or you can scream it out loud. Let me know what the answer is. Hey?
16.
16.
So
Yes.
it's minus 8.
Minus 8. Yes, that is the right answer. Because if we've got, let's look at 8. 4 minus 8 is, what is 4 minus 8?
-4.
-4, sir.
-4. And 4 minus 16?
12.
12.
It's minus 12 because you have 4 and you take away 16, it's minus 12. Yeah. So that can't be the answer. And then minus 8, let's look. 4 minus -8. What does a minus and a minus give you?
Plus.
Positive.
Plus a positive, sir.
So 4 plus 8 is 12. So the answer is -8. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Let's look at C. What is the answer for C? X plus 3 equals 0, and you need to find what X is.
-3, sir.
Minus
Negative.
3.
-3.
Everybody agrees with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because -3 plus 3 is 0. So the answer is -3. Let's look at D. What is the answer there? 5 minus something equals 10.
So it's -5.
Minus,
sir, it's -5. Negative.
okay.
-5.
Trevor, you've got your hand up?
So I wanted to say the same thing.
Okay. So minus and minus gives you a plus, right? So it becomes 5 plus 5. And 5 plus 5 is indeed 10. So the answer is -5 for here, right? What about E? What is E?
It's 5.
Excuse me. So it's 5, you say. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Well done. So it's 5. F,
-5.
I've got an answer, -5. Anybody else for F? What is the answer? F,
-15.
15. Yes, that's right. -5 plus 15 equals to 10. So -5 plus 15 is 10. You have -5, you add 15, it gives you 10. Is that okay? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
You add -5, you add 15, it gives us 10. So the answer is indeed 15. Okay, let's look at G.
Sir,
-15.
-15. 15.
15.
Negative.
15. -15. Ooh. -15, or is it 15? What answer is it?
So it's
Negative.
Sir, it's 15.
-15.
15. 15.
There's a big debate here between 15 and -15. Okay.
-15.
Let's see. 15, -15. Okay, let's look. So we've got, let's see, if we plug in there 15, -5 minus 15 will give us -20. So the answer is in fact -15, because if we say -5 minus -15, -5 plus 15 gives you 10. And that's right. Because remember, minus and minus gives you a plus. So it's -5 plus 15, which then gives us 10. Anybody has any questions with this one? Any questions?
No, sir.
Let's try H.
No, sir.
What is the answer there?
Help.
What is H?
Minus 15.
Minus 5.
-5.
-5, sir.
Negative 5.
Minus
-5, sir.
Because minus 5 minus minus 5 becomes it's minus 5 plus 5. Eh? And minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So the answer is indeed minus 5. What about I? 5 minus x equals minus 10.
-5, sir.
-5, sir.
Okay, what else? Anybody else?
Negative 15.
It's -50.
Okay, let's look. If we plug negative 5, it will be 5 minus minus 5, and that will become 5 plus 5. Is that right? Minus 5. Hey? Is minus 5
Yes.
correct? Hey?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes.
not, right? Because you need minus 10 on the right hand side. See, we need minus 10. So it is 5 minus 15 equals minus 10. You have 5, you take away 15, what do you end up with? Minus 10. So the answer is 15. Have a look at that one. Just send me a thumbs up if you understand that one. So you've got 5, you take away 15, and you end up with minus 10. You can just send me a thumbs up if you understand that. Thanks, Cananello. Thanks, Takano. Who else? Others, you don't understand that? No? Let's see. Tumelo, you understand that? Okay. Okay, all understand. Okay, Jenna, Mapalo, Trevor, Theo, Aisha, Pumzile, you all understand that. Excellent. Okay, let's try J. What is the value of x? X equals 10 over 10. What is the answer to that?
100.
10 over 10.
1.
It's 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1.
1.
Okay. What about 10x equals 0? What was the value of x? 10 times what is 0?
0.
Who else agrees with that? 0. Yes. Thanks, Anel. Thanks, Jenna. Trevor. It is 0. And the next one, x over 10 equals 0. What divided by 10 gives you 0?
0.
0.
0.
0.
There we go. Yeah. Which one out of all of these do you think is like difficult still for you? Or are they all okay? None. Okay, you find them all easy. Okay, they're okay. Okay, all okay.
Yes, easy, easy.
They're all easy. Okay. Okay. Any questions related to these ones so far?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Anybody else? Trevor, you've got your hand up.
Well, sir, I don't have any questions, so I'm just saying no.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Okay, no questions for these. So I'm going to move on. Let's move on. So this one here is just about, what do we know? The left-hand side must equal the right-hand side, all right? Left-hand side must equal the right-hand side of the equation. Whatever is on the left must equal the right. It's about balance. The equations gives us balance. Left-hand side, right-hand side must equal, right? So we say LHS equals RHS. Left-hand side must equal the right-hand side. Okay, it's all about balance, right? Okay, that's what equation teaches us, right? So balance from left-hand side and right-hand side. Okay, so we're going to move on now. Now, these are very interesting. We've got x plus 5 equals 2x. Let's see, without doing anything fancy here, what do you think is the answer to the first question? X plus 5 equals 2 times x. What answer can you come up with? What number plus 5 equals to 2 times the same number?
3.
3 plus 5 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So it can't be 3. Anel says 5. Carmen says 5.
Okay, 5.
The numbers are quite small here, so you can try, to start maybe from 0 or 1 and then go up like 0, then try it, and then 1, and then try it, and then 2, and then try it, and then 3, 4, 5, then keep going up and see which one works, right? So which one will work here? I see a lot of people saying 5. I see 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, I've got 1, 3 at the end there. I've got another 5.
2.
Uko, if we plug in 3, it does not work. The left-hand side won't give you the right-hand side. When we plug in 2 also, it's going to be 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. Left-hand side don't equal right side, must balance, right? So the answer is indeed 5. Well done to those of you that got 5. Let's try it and see. So 5 plus 5 equals 2 times 5. Does that balance on the left-hand side and right-hand side? Yes, so the answer is 5. Any questions related to this?
No, sir.
No questions. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. And there we go. Okay. Oops. Let's try the next one. B. K times 5 equals 20 plus K. And like I say, if you get stuck, you can start maybe from, yeah, you can start from lower numbers and see what happens as you go up.
So the answer is 5.
Some of you are saying 5. Tecano says 5.
5.
Katie says 5. Trevor says 4. Anel says 5. Tomelo says 5. Let's start with 4, right? Let's look at 4. If we
5.
say 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Does the left-hand side equal the right-hand side if we use 4?
No, sir.
No. So 4 can't
No,
be
sir.
the right answer, right? Okay. What can we try? What shall we try? 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try 5. So 5. So it's going to be 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 equals 25. And then on left hand side is right hand side. So the answer is indeed 5. Yeah. Those of you that had 4, do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you do understand. Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Any questions related to this? No. Okay. Let's look at the next one. C. 2 times Q equals 18 minus Q.
Six, sir.
I've got one answer, 6. Who else? Theo's also said 6. Travis said 6. Who else is going to give me an answer? Tekano, Aisha, KD, all say 6. Who else says 6? Let's see. Tumisha says 6. Pumzile as well. Great. Let's see. 2 times 6 equals 18 minus 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 18 minus 6 is 12. So yay, the answer is indeed 6. Let's try D. 3 times T equals T plus 22. 3 times T equals T plus 22. Stembiso's given me an answer of 9. Trevor's given me 9. Jenna, 9. Left-hand side must equal right-hand side here. Tumisha's got 9. Left-hand side must equal right-hand side. Please check if you plug in 9 if it works out. Who else has a different answer maybe?
7.
7, okay. Anything else? Nine is not correct. 7 is not correct. We'll think about another one. Let's try some other answers. Mapalo says 11. Trevor says 11. Theo says 11. Somebody else says 8.
11, sir.
11. Okay. The answer is 11 because 3 times 11 equals equals 11 plus 22. So it's 33 equals 33, right? So 11 times 3 is 33 and 11 plus 22 is 33. And there we go. So the answer is indeed 33. Yay, okay. So you must, when you have an answer, plug it back in and see that the left-hand side must equal the
Right-hand side.
LHS must equal to the right-hand side, right? Any questions with these? Are they difficult?
Those.
Not difficult. Okay. Right. Let's try a few more. Let's try 2A. Y plus 6 equals 4 times Y.
2, sir.
2. I've got 2. Is that right, everybody? 2.
Yes.
Okay. Anel says 2, Theo says 2, Mapalo says no, 2 is not correct. Jenna 2, what is the answer then, Mapalo? Aisha says 2.
3.
Somebody says 3. Okay, let's try y plus, not y, 2 plus 6 equals 4 times 2, right? So 8 equals 8. Yay, it's correct. 2 is right. Let's look at B. 5 times P equals 18 plus 2 times P. Tecano has given me an answer of 5. Tecano, plug it in and see. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. Please check if your left-hand side equals right-hand side, and you're going to use your BODMAS. So with BODMAS, remember, these two must be multiplied first, right? Then you do the addition. Have you all done BODMAS?
Yes, sir.
So we first do the times and then we add 18. So if you plug 5 in there, does it work?
No. No, sir. Yes,
Doesn't work, eh? It doesn't work. Because 5 times 5 is 25. And then 18 plus 2 times 5 is 10. So the right-hand side will have 28 on the left and 25 on the right. 5 is not correct. If we plug 5, it's going to be 5 times 5 equals 18 plus 2 times 5. And this is 25 equals to 18 plus 10. See? So 28 and 25, it doesn't work. See? Do you agree? Yes? Hello?
Yes,
It
sir.
can be 5. Hey, think again. Let's think of other answers. What else could it be? And check that left-hand side equals right-hand side.
Six, sir.
Theo's got 6. Somebody else also said 6. Mapala says 6. Anel 6. Jenna 6. So 5 times 6 equals 18 plus 2 times 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. 18 plus 2 times 6 is 12. So 30 equals 30, right? So therefore, yay, 6 is the correct answer. Well done. Let's try C. 4 times Z equals 18 plus Z. Four times Z equals 18 plus Z. I've got Jenna's given me an answer to this one, I believe. Mapalo, Theo, and they're all saying 6. Any other answers to this? So far we have 6.
So it's 6.
It's 6. Okay, it's 6. Everybody says 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. 18 plus 6 is 24. So the answer, yay, it is 6. because 4 times 6 is 24. 18 plus 6 is also 24. So it is indeed 6. Let's look at D. X times 5 equals 20. What will X be?
4, sir.
4. 4, sir.
Yes. 4 times
sir.
5 equals 20. So it is indeed 4. Because 4 times 5 is 20. Then 4 times 5 is 20. 20 equals 20. And there we go. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. Well done. Okay. Let's look at this one here. 42 divided by m equals 35 minus 29.
7, sir.
Okay, some people are saying 7. What do the rest of you say? Somebody said 9. Remember, you must plug the value in and the left-hand side must equal the right-hand side.
7.
7.
7.
7. I've got a 6 there. Somebody said 6. 6. I've got 7. What is 35 minus 29?
6, sir.
And 42 divided by 7?
6, sir.
Yes, so 42 divided by 7 equals 35 minus 29. And this 6 equals to 6. And we've got it. Yay. It's correct. And then we've got F. What is the answer there? Now be very careful of your board mesh signs there, right?
Four, sir.
Okay, I've got 4. Anybody else? Trevor's given me 4. Theo 4.
4.
Jenna 4. Okay, Kamano has also given me 4. Pumzile as well. Let's have a look. So 3 times 4 minus 2 equals 4 plus 6. 3 times 4, we must put this in a bracket. So it's 12 minus 2 equals to 10. Yay! Excellent. Well done. 4 is indeed the correct answer. Right? So we've been solving all of these by inspection. So we've just been looking at them and solving them, right? But there is a way to actually solve this, like, using an algebraic way, which I'm going to show you as well. Okay, so is this okay so far when you just plug in a random value and try and solve it? Are you finding this okay? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Any questions so far? No. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this algebraically. So some rules to solve equation, right? So in an equation, a plus on the one side, when you take it over, it gets changed to a minus. A minus gets changed to a plus.
A plus.
A times get changed to a divide. And then a divide gets changed to a times. Is that okay? So the signs switch, right? So let me give you an example here on the side. It says here 2x minus 5 equals to x plus 5. So what we want to do is we want to get the x on the one side and the numbers on the other side. So we're going to put the x's on the one side. So we leave 2x, you take this x over here, and you take that x or that 5 over there. What is the sign of the x on the right-hand side, this x here? What is the sign in front of it? It is a? Is it a positive x or a negative x on the right-hand side?
Positive.
So when you take it
Negative.
over, it will become what? A positive will become?
Negative.
Negative. So it will become 2x minus x. And then this 5 here, what is the sign in front of this 5? The 5 is minus 5. When we take it over, it will become
The 5. The 5.
plus 5, right? So what is 2x minus x? You have 2 and you take away 1, it will give you
1.
1. So that's 1x, and 5 plus 5 is
10.
10. So yeah, so sometimes if you struggle to solve it, you can use this method, but most cases you're able to solve it by just looking at it and finding the solution. Okay. So I'm going to give you another one to try similar to this. Say we get here 2x plus 4 equals 14. We want the x's on the one side and the numbers on the other side. What number will we take over? Yes?
4.
4, yes. So we're going to take this 4 over and take it there. What's the sign in front of the 4 at the moment?
Positive.
And when you take it over, it will become?
Negative.
So it's 2x
Negative.
equals 14 minus 4. What is 14 minus 4?
10.
So
10.
2x equals 10. So what will x be? If 2x equals 10, what will 1x be?
5.
Yes. So x equals 10 divided by 2, and x equals 5. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You're all fine with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to write it here on the right hand side. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
No, okay.
No.
So we've got here 3x minus 6 equals 12. What will the value of x be? What do we take over first?
The 6.
So we're going to take the 6 over. So it's 3x equals to 12. And what will that be, the 6? Will it be minus 6 or plus 6 when you take it over?
Plus 6.
So 3x equals, what is 12 plus 6?
18.
18. So if 3x is 18, what is 1x?
6.
6.
And how do we get that?
By dividing 18 with 3.
Yes, excellent. Well done. So 18 over 3, which is 6. X equals 6. Okay. And can we try one last one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to move this up. Can I move this up? Are all of you writing? Is it finished right? Yeah? Everybody, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's try one more.
Okay, sir.
2x plus 5 equals 15. And we must solve for x. What number are we going to take over first?
The 5.
And it becomes, when you take it over, it
No,
becomes
5. Negative.
so 2x equals 10 and x equals
5.
5. Well done, everybody. Excellent. Well done. Okay. So, yeah, x equals 5. Any questions regarding this? Yeah, any questions? No. Okay. So I'm going to end off there for today, and I'm going to hand you over to Alzan, the mentor, to have a chat to you about the homework and some additional stuff. But thank you so much for participating such a lot in the lesson today and for sharing all your answers. I really enjoyed you helping me out with a lot of the questions and the equations. It was really great. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. So yeah, I'm handing over to Alzan.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dipesh. I really enjoyed your lesson. Thank you for helping us to figure out that the one side needs to be similar to the other side.
That's great. I see you listen very well.
Yes, I tried my best on this side. But we'll see you again on Thursday. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
lovely day.
much. Take care, everyone. And
Thank
enjoy chatting to them, Alzan. See you then. Bye-bye.
I will. Thank you, Dipesh. Bye-bye. So guys, how are you feeling after today's lesson? Let me see some emojis.
I feel good.
Okay, I hear someone that says they feel good. We've got an open mouth face. It looks like a bit of a shocked face. What does that mean?
It's happy.
Is it a happy face?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So we've got some happy and excited faces here. And we've got someone with a blowed mind emoji. What does that mean?
The length.
I'm really amazed.
Amazed. Well, you guys better be very proud of yourselves. You did amazing. And I think I need to share something exciting with you if you are ready for it. Are you ready for it?
The leaderboard.
Yes, the leaderboard.
Yes.
Awesome. So tell me, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Great stuff. So first of all, well done to all of you. You've accomplished or you finished three lessons on algebraic equations already. So well done for that. Today you did some solving and completion of number sentences. And then on Thursday, we've got determining the numerical value of an expression by substitution. Okay. Am I going to see you guys there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great stuff. So tell me, can we please get a slow hand clap to see the leaderboard? Can I hear some hands clapping? Thank you, Tumelo. Here we go. So in first place, we've got Anal. Well done for you for doing 8 lessons. After Anal, we've got a 3 tied second place for Mapalo, Ayesha, and Theo. So well done, you guys. You completed 7 lessons throughout last week. And then in third place, we've got another tie with Tembiso and Fumuzile. Congratulations. Well done to all of you. So you guys can choose. You can either get your name on here again next week by doing the homework that I will be giving out now, or we can see maybe some of those whose names aren't on here, maybe it's time for your name to hop on here, okay? So let me show you how you can do that. You can hop onto Watobi's app and then choose your topic. You can go into algebraic equations. Then after going into algebraic equations, you'll see that there's equations basics. And under equations basics, you can go on to work on both sides of the equation, okay? So this was last week's homework as well, but I believe that Dipesh has said that there's a few that still hasn't done this. So work on both sides of the equation needs to be completed. And then when you go down, you'll see that there's 1-step equations. Add and subtract that you can also do before Thursday. Do you all have it? Let me see with a yes or no. Okay, I'm not hearing anything, so I'm assuming you guys have it. Yes, cool stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Thank you so much, guys, for coming again. It's lovely seeing your faces. Really well done for your hard work and your persistence. Those who keeps on and stays consistent will definitely improve their maths. So I'm excited to see you all, just acing your goals, and hopefully I'll see you again on Thursday. Take care and have a lovely evening.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Theo.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye, Tumelo.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care. Bye, Trevor. Bye-bye.